Found on the side of roads, within neighborhoods, and all throughout the community, Athens has been experiencing a problem with garbage not ending up in the right places. Henry LaBelle, an Athens resident, has recently taken initiative to help combat this issue by spending his personal time cleaning up out-of-place garbage.
Prime example of some of the most common plastic waste that can be found. Plastic bottles like this are everywhere.
Born in Ventura, California, LaBelle has resided in Athens for the past 3 years. It was only soon after he moved to Athens that he picked up on the litter problem.
When I was very young, I was very passionate about the environment and the outdoors and nature, and I spent most of my time hiking and walking and swimming. And I would pick up garbage when I saw it. But this all really started last year when I was working at a mushroom farm. And on my days off, I would walk down my road, which was Lurig Road here in Athens, and I would find bags and bags and bags of garbage of various types. And it started really getting under my skin. And my girlfriend at the time and I would hike down the road for an hour or two, and we'd come back with 20, 30 pounds of trash. And we'd see people that would just, on our road, they would just, they just throw all their garbage out of their window and then speed away, and that really aggravated me, so it kind of made me want to get out and just start picking it up.
Fast food bags and cups, plastic grocery bags, and even used face masks. There's no shortage of variety when it comes to what types of garbage are lying outdoors. There's also no shortage of places to find it, although some places are particularly worse than others.
Most amount of trash comes from roadsides like the one we were just walking on, where people are just speeding by 35, 40 miles an hour, and they just decide that it's not going to hurt anybody if they throw their garbage out of their window. But the most important places probably that I go are lakes, streams, deep in the woods, and that's where I find sparse amounts of garbage, but ones that are degrading quickly into the ecosystem.
While I was with LaBelle, we walked down Columbus Road and gathered a large pile of trash in a shockingly short amount of time.
We just went for a quick 10-minute walk down the road here, and we found this bag full of garbage. We might have walked, what do you think, 200 feet?
Yeah, literally only
before there was a lawnmower guy that was running us down, so we had to stop, but yeah.
LaBelle wants to continue to not only pick up as much trash as possible, but also raise awareness on how litter is a big problem in the community.
I'd love to continue to take this as far as I can. I mean, I have many hobbies and interests, but as much awareness as I can bring, I want to bring, but I also sort of want to invest in some other method of preventing this from happening, whether it be signage or law changes or just education.
LaBelle recently started a GoFundMe titled Help Henry Clean Up Athens, Ohio, where he hopes to raise a little money to allow him to spend more time picking up trash.
You can find that on my Facebook, which I reluctantly use, but I have a Facebook under my name, Henry LaBelle, and my Instagram is at Athens Trash Man. And there's also a link on there, and I post videos every now and again of me picking up trash or playing my guitar or any number of things that I'm doing.
By being just a little more responsible with our waste, we can all work together to help achieve LaBelle's goal of making Athens a cleaner community.